Right, so this question is uncrossed line. So you are given a two in the arrays, nums1 and nums2. So it's if nums1 equal to nums2, then we basically need to count as 1, the counter plus 1, but the condition is the line we draw does not intersect with any other connecting line, right? So just return the maximum number. So in this question, it's straightforward enough. It is a DP question. Like, if first num is 142, and the second num is 124. Wait, I messed up. Sorry. So first nums is gonna be 142. Second nums is gonna be 124. So you're going to create a 2D, right? And then in this 2D, we need to know if the number are matched, right? Basically, you need to just take a diagonal plus 1. So diagonal plus 1. Basically, is that it. And we set the default row 0 and column 0 equal to 0, right? So when we actually add the value at this current index, so we can just take diagonal 0 0 plus 1, right? And then this is 4 and 1 doesn't match, right? 1 and 2 not match, and then 1 and 2 not match. But again, if a value have matched already, you need to take the top or left, the maximum between top of left. So it's gonna be 1, because the column 0 is what? 0, right? So 0 and 1, right? It's gonna be 1. And then 4 and 2 now match. Take the top or left, 1, right? And 2 and 2 they are matched, but in this condition we need to take a diagonal plus 1, and then diagonal is 0. So 0 plus 1 is actually 1, right? So just keep doing the same idea. The 1 and 4 now match. Take the top or left, the maximum value, and then 4 and 4 are matched. So take the diagonal plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2, and then 2 and 4, right? 2 and 4 are not matched. So just maximum between top or left. So it's going to be 2. The answer you will return 2, right? Yes. All right. So what we need is the 2D array, and then I put my row number as nums1. And then the column will be num2. So if I have to have a default column and row, right? I need to add 1, right? And then when I return, I need to return the bottom right? So nums1.length and then nums2.length. So I traverse. And traverse again for the second. Alright, if the value are matched, right, then we need to take a diagonal dpi. So since I and j starting from 0, right, but we need to know the entire table. So 1 4 2 1 2 4. So the entire table is actually 4 by 4, 4 by 4, 4 by 4, something like this, right? You say initial default value 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, and then we return this one, right? So again, we're starting from 1 1, table 1 1, so it's going to be I plus 1, j plus 1, right? And equal to what? dpij plus 1. This is diagonal, right? And then if not, then just take the maximum between left or top, right? So the idea is straightforward enough, so just do a little bit of practice. So when, correct. Okay, so let's look at the time and space. This is going to be a space, all of m times m. N represent length of nums1.length, m represent nums2.length. The follow is straightforward, all of n times m. So this is the solution. I'm going to just breakpoint a little bit for the debug. Okay, so here's the the DP, so it's gonna be 4x4, right? And then I'm gonna pause every single iteration, and then you just pause the video at any second. Oh, I finished. Okay, so here it is. Maybe I pause right here. This might be better. Okay, so look at each iteration and look at the DP. Follow the step, and here we go. So pretty much it, right? So if you still have a question, leave a comment below. Subscribe if you want it, and I will see you later. Bye.